Hi, it's Joyce. Thanks for joining me. I want to show you my Christmas table. And just to let you know, when I showed you the Thanksgiving table, I will use those dishes all of the month of November. And once Thanksgiving is over, then I will use these dishes the month of December, because otherwise when do you use them twice a year? And these dishes I love, and they have a name that I can't pronounce, and I just admit it. It starts with W, it's German. It's like when I try to say Worcestershire sauce, I have to do it that way because I can't pronounce it. But this is like Worcestershire or something like that, and it's German, and they are available. And I just wanted to show you what the Christmas table looks like, and I could have had white placemats under this. I could have had another shade of red. I could mix it up any way you want to. And we have red and gold candles this time, but you could have a Christmas sleigh in there, or you could have just anything, a whole great big container full of Christmas balls that you put on your Christmas tree. They're beautiful too. So just use your imagination. And then Lisa wants to show you how to make a napkin.
There's all kinds of ways you can fold your napkins that are real easy to do. And this right here that Mom did, all you do with this is you just take it like this, fold it over, and put it upside down in the glass. This is another one that I think is really cute. You could just put it on the plate. It's a rose. And there's the petals. And you could just, instead of having the napkin here, you could put it up here. You could put it in the cup. You could put it on your plate. And it's very simple to do. I'm going to show you how to fold, make a rose. You'll see how quickly it is. And I think the stiffer the napkin, the stiffer the napkins, the easier they are. So you fold this in half like this, but and leave a little room right along the edge, and then you're just gonna just roll it up. Roll it up to about 4 inches to the top. Turn it over, and then roll this. We're just about done here. Okay, so you roll it, and then you'll see there's a little thing that you can, a little flap. You have to push this into the little flap like that. And that's even kind of cute right there. But then you take it and go like this. And these are like the petals. There you go. And there you have it.
That's beautiful.
See how easy that was? And you could do fans, you can do, there's just so many different ways you can fold napkins. But I thought that was really cute. And like I said, you could set it right on the plate for their napkins.
And especially for Christmas, it's cute.
Mhm.
Christmas rose. Thank you.
Thank you.